Yes, folks, it's dead. What could have killed this plant? Could it be all the fucking snow? Yeah. Okay. Time to walk in the snow once again. Why do I put myself through this? I do for your entertainment. That's the only reason. Because I'm cool like that. It's still snowing, but it's not too bad. The trees up there, they're waving back and forth a little bit because it's kind of windy. Ed is blowing snow in my face now. The things I do for you, I tell you. My loving audience. Ooh, wow. We got icicles. Icicles! Haven't seen a good icicle in quite a while. Bet you love seeing me tortured, don't you? I'm gonna get pneumonia and stuff from this, I'm sure. Okay, time to write in the snow. Okay. Yeah, I'll just keep that on the back of my car for a while. Yeah.